On today's episode of MotoCheez.
So it's here. Let's see. .4K capable. Micro SD goes there, USB goes there. Huh, and it has an HD output to go to like a monitor. It does have a gimbal. Also comes with an app, so you can set it up. This one did come with an SD card, a 64 gigabyte SANDISK. Goes in this way. Comes with a little remote control. Looks like it might need to be charged. This must be for that. I guess it's a wristband if you want it to be. That's kind of neat. So I'm at 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second. It's not too bad, the motion gimbal, because I move my head up and down about 2 inches and side to side about 2 inches. Let's see how this worked out. What's up, mini truck in 4K? What's up, mini truck in low light? Turn the light on now. What's up, mini truck with the lights on? Cloudy day. From what I could tell, the microphone on this thing is really good. It's definitely going to be like the camera glasses, so you can't do any like real jerky motions. The one thing I did see when the guy was doing this, it looked like the gimbal kept jerking all the way around. So that's another test I wanted to do. This is kind of low light too. The 76 Stingray Corvette 82. I put 83 in one of my videos. I was wrong. This poor thing's been sitting outside since my crappy shaker can paint job. Might have to do another one. It's dusk right now. It's pretty dark. I can't see nothing here at all. This is pitch black. That's a little 15-watt bulb. I guess I have light all over. I can walk around the back, I suppose. It's my backyard. You could just about make out the trees back there. You can make out this tree. There's a bat flying around. I'm actually impressed with the field of view on this too. If I had to guess, the field of view is somewhere around 120. I'll come out when it's darker. When it's pitch black. It's almost pitch black now. Just to see how it's going to work in a garage, I have just my LED lights on. So I should be able to see all this stuff. This little remote actually works really, really good. I don't know if you could do a photo while you're recording. Well, apparently you can. And that gives you a watch band. You got to take this little rubber piece off, pop it into the little wristband that it comes with, but I'm not going to wear that. I'll just keep this in my pocket. I'm impressed with it so far, and it's not that uncomfortable. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Look at this mess. Oh my god. I'm going to try this again in 4K and see whether there's much of a difference in 4K. Right now you're looking at Mini Truck in 4K 60 frames per second. This is the maximum video recording that this camera will do. I do like this camera. It does have a few flaws. I mean, you guys tell me, should I keep it? Should I send it back? I did send an email to support to see whether there's any upgrades in firmware that I could do. Or should I live with it? It's definitely better video than what the video glasses that I've used will give you. There are a set of 4K glasses that I can purchase that I could try, but that company, the previous pair of glasses I got, didn't even last, I think, about 6 months. The problem with the video glasses is the battery size. Usually it's a 500 milliamp, so you only get, well, at 4K you'd probably be lucky to get 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I definitely have to do a road test with this. It is foggy out today, so that's why it looks foggy. But this is where I was last night doing the low light test. So honestly, you guys tell me, is it worth it? Should I keep it? It does a decent job. The camera, I mean, not these. I did see a config file when I put the SD card in to download the 4K video earlier. So I'm wondering, maybe there is a way to boost the audio, or maybe they kept the audio a little low because you can hear the gimbal once in a while. I could probably live with the few imperfections that this camera does have. And what do you guys think? Make a comment below. So far it's pretty much the best that I've reviewed as far as cameras, compact wise, except the GoPro. Yes, I can put a GoPro on my head and walk around with that, but it is a little large, and it's a little more dorky than having this hang off my ear, I suppose. Let me know, because right now I have nothing that I can record with hands-free. 90% of what I do is hands-free. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.